It's important to change the filters in your air purifier on schedule. And with the Intellipure Ultrafine, it's ultra easy. You don't need any tools. Just start by making sure the unit is unplugged and removing the front cover. It's attached with these cool magnets, so it comes right off. Next, pop these tabs on the other side of the front cover to remove the pre-filter. This filter should be replaced every 6 months. Now you just turn this little lever to release the DFS grid and it lifts right out. After that, the main filter just pops out. These filters trap tiny particles and remove all the nasty and icky stuff from the air. Be sure to replace the post filter too. It slides out of the back of the filter assembly. Just listen to all those smell-busting beads in there. Then the new filters go in just as easily. You only need to replace these main filters once a year. Remember to secure the new pre-filter onto the inside of the front cover. Then the DFS grid is replaced, and we put the cover back on. Once you've reconnected the power and turned the unit back on, be sure to reset the filter indicator lights. Do this by holding down each button for 5 seconds until it flashes. Fresh, clean air for your whole family. It's so easy, even a grown-up could do it. Breathe easy with Intellipure.